Arf, arf. What's wrong? Wally, Wally, my stupid friend. What's wrong? Arf, 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 arf. Whoa, whoa. How did all that oil get in the bag? How did all that oil get in the water? How did all that oil get in the water? The water. That's not right for all the sea animals. I better call the pop. I better call the sea patrol. Doink 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 doink. Doink 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 doink. Ryder here. Hi Ryder. Hi Ryder. Oh, hi Captain Turbot. What's wrong? You look distressed. What's wrong? Oh, somehow oil got into the bay. Somehow oil got into the water. Water. Whoa, that's a lot of oil. I wonder how it got there. Oil can be really bad for the animals. Oil can be really bad for the animals. Don't worry, Captain. No, oil is too deep. No, pup is too small. Twing, twing. Sea Patrol to the beach tower. Ryder needs us. Whoa, 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 look out, Oh, I can't, I've got watermelons on my feet, they're very, slippery. Now that's what I call melon mayhem. Sea Patrol, ready for action, Captain Ryder, sir. Whoa, Sea Patrol. Oh, Everest, Tracker, Shop. Welcome to Sea Patrol HQ. Wow. Wow. It's cool. It's super cool. We've got an oil situation, pups. We've got an oily situation, pups. Somehow oil spread in the bay, spread into the water. That's totally not good for the sea animals. Yeah. Oil can make it hard to breathe. Oil can make it hard to breathe. That's why we need to get out there and clean it up. Cleaning up an oil from the entire bay is a big job. That's why I need all paws on deck. Oh, yay! All right, Sea Patrol is on a roll. Load it up, Robo Dog. Robodog, take us to sea. Arf, arf.